This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Millicent Blalock. Just new enough. This charming rancher is the perfect place to retire. One-level living at its finest with split bedroom floor plan, vaulted ceilings, crown molding throughout and covered patio. Maryville city convenience with county taxes only. Run, don't walk, because this one won't last long. Showings start July 23, 2022. Property being sold as is, seller will not be making repairs. Buyer to verify all property facts. For more information, review the details below or contact Millicent Blalock at 865-584-4000.